Right guys, welcome back to a new video. We're just here on Central Drive, and what we're going to do is we're going to make our way round to Chapel Street and have a look what's going on with the development of the police station and the courts. See if there's any further developments. Like I say, it's a cloudy day, but at least the rain staying up, that's give over. So bit of a busy day here today. Yeah, so we'll have a look at see what's happening at the court building. I know they've got to strip all the asbestos out. They don't know all the ceilings. They'll be full of it. What have you? So before they can actually start dropping the buildings, that's all got to be cleared. Now I know that the demolition lads, they don't work at weekends, but I know I have seen the asbestos team there at weekend. So anyway guys, hope you're all alright, keeping yourselves warm and looking after yourselves. So we'll have a quick pan round. This joke shop is due to be dropped as well. So we'll make our way down Chapel Street in a minute. It's a shame about all these buildings across the road here. But I suppose it's having the money to find out what's happening with them. I know they've put this fencing up here to stop these cars parking here, because there's a couple of cars here for months, you know, parked along here for months, and nobody seemed to do anything about it or go near them. Old Central Driver. Yeah, it'd be nice to see this lot smartened up. Like I say, it all takes money.
All right now,
I know that fish and chips on the corner there, that's owned by the same people who own Graceland, and I know there was talks of it being reopened, but apparently, like I say, I suppose it's having the money to do it again. Yeah, but they own Graceland's B&B as well. That's a good car park there, you know, it's well secure. The only thing I find is I've been in there, I put my car in there once, and I find that the spaces are very narrow. But I suppose all car parks now are the same now. But not this floor here, but the next floor up, I think it's level 1. That's where there's disabled bays there. I don't think there's any disabled bays on the ground zero. I've not seen any, but I have been in there. Because when I come into town, I bring my car with me, you see. I live just outside town, so well, a lot of windows taken out, and all the green tarpauling's been taken down. So I'm surmising that this back building here, that's probably been cleared of the asbestos. There's nobody here today. But there's 3 buildings up there, if I remember rightly. There's 3 or 4 buildings up there. So before they can drop this back end, I think they'd have to empty them all. That's why they said July, that it'd run into July. I think the camera was a bit off focus there, was it? Yeah, so you can see like the windows have been taken out, ready for them throwing out into skips. But the last time we looked, there was pipes coming out, the asbestos outlet pipes that they use. So I could be wrong, but and it looks like they've all been cleared from the side now. So I think this back building here, this is probably ready for them to start dropping it. But I think what they may do is they may clear all the buildings on that level upstairs, and then start dropping this back end. Yeah. Like I say, it's just to bring you a bit of an update. Like I say, I'll put an update when they start doing the demolition in. I'll put one on once a week. There'll be several other YouTubers that will be covering it as well. I think nearly all the Blackpool YouTubers will be covering it. Because don't forget, they've got to drop all this as well. So there is a fair bit. But if I remember rightly, upstairs I think there's 3 flat buildings, and that's before they even touch the police station. So whether they're going to clear all 3 off the asbestos and anything that's in there before they start knocking the back end down, but like I say, they've only been here a month. They started a month ago, so like I say, we're just here at Vauxhall. Well, opposite Vauxhall. Yeah, so like I say, I did say that I'd post a video once a week. I don't see the point in doing it daily or every couple of days. I think you'll see the benefit once a week. Looks like the bingo's back on next to Mr. Riggett. James and Tony are back on. Mind you, they did post a video to say that they were coming back to do the bingo in. So we'll just have a walk out into the promenade. Like I say, it was just a quick update as to what's going on. The last time we were there, they had tarp on the windows, and they had like the pipes coming out. All that seems to have been moved now, so like I say, yet to see it. They're going to start taking the back end down, and whether they're going to clear all the other buildings first. Right guys, I'm going to end the video here. Don't forget to wrap up when you go out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because it's free, it doesn't cost anything. It just helps support the channel. Take care of yourselves, and I'll catch you in the next video. So bye for now.